The Manali-Leh route is still not safe for travellers, according to the Lahaul-Spiti district administration. The border road organisation is clearing the roads quickly, according to the Lahaul-Spiti Deputy Commissioner Neeraj Kumar. However, the Manali-Leh highway has not been restored for traffic. We appeal to the general public and tourists that they should avoid travelling on the route, said Kumar. He said he met with Border Roads Organisation officials who indicated road clearance work was underway in Sarchu and Baralacha. After the snow clearing operation is over, the district civil and police administration will inspect the road before allowing tourists and general public cars on it. All tourists are requested to avoid the route for now. Taxi drivers are also advised not to drive on highways, he said.